So we need to find the area of two circles. One with the radius of 3 and one with a radius of 4. So for this first one, we have the radius squared times pi, which is 3 in this case, the radius. And over here, we have the radius is 4, so 4 squared times pi. 3 squared is equal to 9, so this one is 9 pi. And 4 squared is equal to 16, because 4 times 4 is 16. To come up with a ratio, we want to make either a fraction or we can set them next to each other, but the fraction is probably the best route for this type of problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to go with 9 pi is the first circle and 16 pi is the second circle. Now we're going to simplify this. And just like we can divide factors out, we can also divide out this pi. So we're just left with 9 over 16. Now those don't have any factors in common. 9 is made up of 1 and 9, or 3 and 3. And 16 is made up of 4 and 4, 2 and 8, or 1 and 16. So there's nothing in common. That's as simple as our fraction can get. Now for number 10, it says the diameter of a circle is double the diameter of a second circle. So this one we have the diameter, and over here this one is twice as big as the first one. Okay, what is the ratio of the area of the first circle to the area of the second circle? So let's see, if we had the radius, in this case would be r, so this one's area would be r squared times pi. And in this one it would be twice as big. So here we have 2r squared times pi. Well, this one is as simple as it can get. But on this one, we can do 2 squared, which is 4. And then we have r squared times pi. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a ratio between these. The first one is r squared times pi. And the second one is 4r squared times pi. The pi's divide out. Excuse me, I'm trying to use a different color here. The pi's divide out. The r squareds divide out. So I just have 1 over 4. So my ratio is 1/4. If the radius is twice as big, the circle will be 4 times as big.